Hello students, topic for today's lecture is International Court of Justice, that is ICJ. Let's divide this term into three different words. International, that means which means the whole world, all over the world. Court, you all know, you or are a law student, you know that court is a place where the proceedings are being held and the person so called accused is either acquitted or convicted. And the concept of justice. Justice means that every person who is not guilty must not be punished, and a person who is guilty must be punished. There is a principle of equity, justice, and good conscience. Then the International Court of Justice is what this was established in the year 1945. It was established by the Charter of the United Nations as the principal judicial organ. It is referred in Article 7 UN Charter. Its role in the fulfillment of the purpose of the UN is to bring about by peaceful means and in conformity with the principle of the justice and the international law. It also helps in adjustments or settlement of the international disputes or the situations which may lead to a breach of peace. It always helps when there is a conflict to solve that conflicts, and if there is a breach of peace, it proper provisions are given related to them to help and to sort out their disputes. It also settles the legal disputes that has been submitted to it by the states in contentious procedure, and it also gives advisory opinions on legal questions that has been referred to it by the authorized UN, that is the United Nations organs, and the specialized agency. Its function in accordance with its statute, which also forms an integral part of the Charter, which has been referred under Article 92 of the UN Charter. The International Court of Justice composed of total 15 judges who were elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council for a 9-year term of office. It has its seat in the Peace Place at The Hague, the Netherlands. Then, International Court of Justice also provides a starting point for research on the International Court of Justice. It also contains open publications and legal materials which is available in the Peace Palace Library, that is both in print and electronic format. Books, articles, bibliographies, periodicals, serials, publications, and the documents of the interest are presented in the selected bibliography section, including links to the PPL catalog whenever it is available. Special attention is also given to our subscriptions, and it also helps in the form of United Nations and the ICJ.